a very, very touching prayer of Ahmad. When you read it quietly alone, your heart bleeds for the suffering of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa. This is just one incident when a window is opened into his heart through his prayer. And you see what passed in his heart, in his mind, when he was ill-treated by the enemies. So he left Taif in a state while he was bleeding from top to foot. His shoes were filled with his own blood, so that they become very slippery. It was difficult for him to walk in the shoes which he was wearing. Salli ala kareemna, salli ala Muhammadin. Answer to this, Ahmad said, "No, I'm not for destroying people. I've come to revive mankind. But I'm suffering immensely. This is true." So what he said was, "Oh my Lord, I complain to you of my total helplessness, being totally powerless, without any means. And I complain to you of my being totally unable to do anything against my enemies, against those who have overpowered me. Oh, merciful being, who is most merciful of all those who are merciful to anyone, are you relegating me to my enemies? Have you decided this, that you will hand over me to my enemies? But if you are not angry with me, and you have decided all this, this is my fate, provided you are not angry with me, I am also ready for all this. Do whatever you may please. Hand me over to my worst enemies, to anyone. But I look only for your pleasure. If you are not angry, then everything is acceptable to me. Then there is no complaint. But what I am afraid of is your anger, your displeasure. This should not happen out of displeasure. I turn to you and I pray and beg of you to save me from this, to keep me under your own protection, and don't relegate me to all this. Although I am ready, but I want otherwise." He said, "O Lord of the light, in the name of your brilliant face, which enlightens the entire universe, the heavens and the earth alike, and all darkness is turned into brilliance and light, what I seek you in this name, only your forgiveness, only your favor, that you never be angry with me. That's the ultimate I ask of you. Of course, you have every right to punish me and anyone else. Punish me, but not with anger, please. For trial maybe, but never with displeasure. If I don't have you, I have nothing. Without you, there is nothing left in me, nothing left for me." So this is the prayer which the Jamaat should beg of Allah for all the suffering Ahmadis in the world and for all the suffering humanity at the hands of perpetrators of crime and cruelty. The ultimate is this prayer of Allah. Remember this. Beg for whatever you may, but also continue to remind yourself and add this into your prayer that Allah, we want the best of you. But if worst must come, it must come with your pleasure, or it will be unbearable for us.